Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do something super exciting. How to mark music beats for your anime edits or AMVs using Alight motion. Marking beats is crucial to ensure your edits are perfectly synced with the music. Let's get started. Want this?
待て開けるな母ちゃんじゃないかもしれない早いゲイヤ逃げろ
First, make sure you have Alight motion installed on your phone or tablet. Open the app, and then we'll import our audio track and anime clips. To import files, tap the plus button to start a new project. Set your project settings like resolution and frame rate, and then import your audio track and anime clips. Tap Media to add your files to the timeline. Next, let's analyze the audio. Zoom in on the audio track so you can clearly see the waveforms. This will help us identify the beats. Now we'll start marking the beats. Play the audio and listen carefully. Whenever you hear a beat, pause the audio and note the time position. Then tap the plus button to add a keyframe at that position. Demonstrate marking a few beats in real time. You'll see markers appear on the timeline. Tips: listen to the entire audio track 2 or 3 times to catch all the beats. Use the play, pause, and scrubbing features to move accurately.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
With our beats marked, we can start syncing our anime clips. Drag a clip onto the timeline and align it with the first marker. Play through and adjust the clip length so it transitions at the next beat.
Audio Jungle.
Review your edit to make sure everything is perfectly synced. Play the entire video a few times and make final adjustments.
Audio Jungle.
When you're happy with the result, it's time to export. Tap the export button, select your settings, and hit export. Show the export process.
Audio Jungle.
That's it. You've successfully marked the beats and synced your anime clips with the music using Alight Motion. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Happy editing. See you next time.